Just going for a little walk in Southern California and see this crane walking in the neighborhood. It's like, hey, big guy. You're out for a walk too. How close can I get to you? I don't want to scare you. But you're near my sidewalk. See, right here. Okay, where are you gonna go? Oh, there you go. You walk on the sidewalk too? You've got a long neck. I thought I had a long neck. Look at that. You're like part giraffe. It's hard to walk and film at the same time here. I'm not as talented as other YouTubers. I'm not stalking you, I swear. You're just in my path, but you're beautiful. And I want to just film you. You're the giraffe of birds. Alright, buddy. I want to pass you, so I won't bother you anymore. Here, just walking. Keep looking beautiful or handsome. Alright. See you later. There you go.